Hi everyone, I've had lots of requests for mini Simnel cakes. Beautiful cake. This is made at Easter time. It's a light fruit cake with marzipan in the centre and it's decorated with marzipan on top as well. I have made this recipe before as an 8-inch cake, beautifully finished, and I've done a video on it, so I'll include a link to that in the comments down below. I've also made it as a 2-pound loaf cake. It looks beautiful too when you decorate it. And I've shared that recipe and I can share it again if anybody wants it. So to get started on my mini Simnel cakes, in here I've got 100 grams of butter. It's nice and soft. I'm going to add in 100 grams of light brown sugar. I'm going to mix this together. And that's perfect. I should have mentioned at the start, you need to soak your fruit for this cake. In here I've got 250 grams of mixed fruit, 50 grams of glacé cherries, 2 tablespoons of whiskey. You could use tea either if you wanted, if you don't want to use alcohol. And I've added the zest and the juice of 1 orange. I've left this overnight. You need to leave it for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours so that all the juices and the whiskey soak in to the fruit. It's just as handy to do this the night before. So my butter and sugar is nice and soft and fluffy, and I'm going to add in 2 eggs. In goes 100 grams of self-raising flour, 25 grams of ground almonds, 1.5 teaspoons of mixed spice, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. We're going to mix all this together. And now I'm going to mix in my fruit and any juices that's in there. We're going to fold this in. It smells lovely. You can smell the orange and the whiskey. Simnel cake is absolutely beautiful. Nice light cake. Be lovely at Christmas too, I have to say. Perfect. Going to set this to one side. Here I've got my cupcake cases. I'm just using them so I can line my little cakes in and protect them in the oven. So we're going to split the mixture between the 12 of these. Put about 1 tablespoon in each. Perfect. Moving on to the marzipan centre, I made my own marzipan. I do a recipe and a really quick video and I'll include it in the comments down below. You can of course use shop bought if you want to either. So I rolled out some of my marzipan and I cut out these little discs. I used the smallest scone cutter I have. It's about 2 inches in size. And I'm going to add one of these to each of my cupcake cases. Now you want the marzipan disc to be you don't want it touching the paper case. You want it completely covered when it cooks with the fruit. So pop each of those in there. You want it a little bit in from the side. If you want to either, you could just grate some marzipan and add it to the centre either. Lovely. All right, we're going to go round on the top of each of these. We're going to split the mixture between the 12. Get yourself a small spoon and just spread out the mixture. These will rise a little bit with the self-raising flour. And that's the last one. And there you have them. They're going to go into the oven now for about 25 to 35 minutes. Just check them at 25 minutes. They may need a little bit longer. Here we have them. My mini Simnel cakes are fully baked. They smell wonderful. Lovely golden colour. A nice size. And lovely flat tops as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to let these cool completely and then I'm going to remove the wrappers and we will decorate them in the traditional way. I'm ready to decorate these now. I've removed the wrappers and I've just put them on a tray because I have to put them under the grill for a minute or two. So I've got some apricot jam here and I've warmed it a little. I'm going to brush the tops with this. Just lightly brush them. The apricot jam will help stick the marzipan. Perfect. I've rolled out my marzipan and I've cut them out, my discs for the top. These discs are a little bit bigger than the ones I used in the centre. The cutter I used was about 2.5 inches. I like to cover the top of the cake completely. You could use the smaller one like the one I used for the inside. It'll just be a little bit smaller. Really cute though as well. So just pop that on and push it down. If you find your little fruitcakes are a little bit domed when you take them out of the oven, just get a glass, the bottom of the glass, and push it down gently so you get a nice flat surface. Works perfectly. It's a little tip I do. So there we have them, absolutely perfect. We're going to go over these with a little bit of apricot jam, not too much. And I'm happy with those. So I've made my marzipan balls, just took some marzipan, rolled it up, and these are about 10 grams each. So you place one of these on the centre. The apricot jam will help to stick them as well. It's good to weigh them all so you have them exactly the same size. And the last one. I'm just going to brush the tops of them with a little bit of the jam. Perfect. These are ready now to go under the grill. We're just going to put them under the grill for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on them because you don't want them to burn. Don't they look beautiful? And there they are, my mini Simnel cakes. I'm going to cut one now so you can see what it's like on the inside. And there you have the inside there. You can see all the lovely fruit and the layer of marzipan in the centre. Absolutely gorgeous. Smell delicious too. Don't they look beautiful? A lovely light sponge. And that's them, everyone. Those are my mini Simnel cakes. A beautiful little recipe. Gorgeous one to make for Easter. It's a traditional one too. There's great flavour in them, taste wonderful, lovely size. Hope you try out the recipe, you'll find it down below. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy baking everyone and enjoy. See you soon.